Hey everyone, just rode my bike up this hill and I'm about to bomb down the hill as fast as I can, but there's a little reward at the top, a nice blackberry bush. I've got about a handful and they're as ripe as they're ever going to get. They're so good. Let's try one. It's delicious. You can't get this at the store, that's for sure. So get out on your bike and go look for some fruit trees, because they're everywhere if you just look. There's a fig tree right there. There's a car that hopefully doesn't run me over. I'm riding my Kona Stinky downhill bike. I made a little spring stopper so it doesn't jump up and down. What? Oh, I thought the camera shut off. So I need to get a road bike, make it probably a lot easier to ride. But yeah, it feels great to get out on the bike and ride around. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of me exercising. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. I love downhill. Can't beat the downhill part. So refreshing.